Avoid watching anime dubbed. As someone who learned both Japanese and English, I know how different the two languages are. And after watching Chainsaw Man, I felt obliged to share the big differences between sub versus dub in these major scenes. Let's jump into it. Alright. Henji wa hai ka wan dake. Henji means to reply, hai means yes, and one is literally an onomatopoeia for what dogs sound like one, so only reply with yes or bark one. I don't need a dog that says no. Yes. It's a little... Don't simp. Don't simp.
You have agreed to become my pet, which means woof or yes are all you say. Things like no don't come out of my dogs.
So that's pretty, again, that's a little bit different because in the sub, in the actual Japanese, what she says is that I don't need or I don't want a dog that says one, as in like get rid of them. So, more cruel, more truthfully cruel in the actual versus a little pochita.
Pochita.
So Pochita is a common dog name. Pochi is a common dog name. It's kind of like, hey there, Pochi. Sassato koroshichimau ka. Sassato is like quickly, and koroshichimau is like, and it's an easy kill. Koros means to kill. Now let's see the dubbed.
What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that makes two of us.
You know what? I kind of like the voices one. This one's not too bad. Obviously, the translation isn't direct. He just said, that's two of us, instead of saying, Sasata koroshichimau ka. But I think the overall message comes across. Not bad. Sub versus dub, 1 point each. Akuma to keyaku suru koto ni shitanda. Akuma means devil, keyaku means a contract, and shitanda is what I chose to do.
But even the ones on top dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil.
Direct translations. I think I like the Japanese voice actor just a touch better. Shi means death. So boku ga nozomu no wa means boku means I. Nozomu no wa means I, what I desire. Devil hunter no, devil hunter z, shi, which means death.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence perish.
Perish? No, I like shi. Just a quick term of death. So that one, the sub gets 10 points, dub gets -10, takoyaki, terrible. Perish? No, shi, death. Tada semete. Tada is just simply semete, at the very least, futsu no seikatsu means a normal life.
Just dreaming of a normal life is enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much.
In the sub, he said he just wanted a normal life. And the dub, he says he was dreaming for a normal life. A little bit different. Again, dub -5, crunky. The sub 10 +10 crunky. Watashi wa, I, in a very formal way, denji no yume no hanashi. Denji is denji, yume no hanashi. Yume no means dreams, hanashi means a talk of, kiku no ga, to listen, suki datta, I liked. Shinzo is heart, literally your beating heart.
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams.
Oh, I like that little cute voice. I don't know who the dub voice actor is, but I think that's different, but still kind of cute in that little, like, not really human kind of cuteness. So they both get 5 jagariko. Pretty good.
That's all I ask of you.
Jama sunnara. Jama means to get in the way, and if you're gonna do that, Chine, die.
If you're gonna get in our way, then you can all die!
I think he could have just said die, you know. I think that's fine with that. I don't know why they're making it longer than it has to, but the voice actor is fine.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからには悪魔は
Akuma is a devil in Japanese.
ぶっ殺さね
Bukuros means emphasis to completely kill.
えそっかてめえら全員殺せばよ借金もバーだぜ
I'm out here tonight because you said you had a job for me. I'm on the clock. So I should kill you devils dead! Oh yeah! Once you jerks are worm food, it's bye-bye dead! I won't know a damn thing!
Kind of harder to understand what he was saying there in the dub. Like, you still gotta articulate, you know, I get the emotions, you still gotta articulate. -2 Haichu right there for dubbed. But if you actually want to be able to watch this without sub, because there's no sub in this video, check out my Skillshare that brings you all the way from beginner to intermediate, going over Hiragana, the first writing systems, Katakana, the second writing system, basic grammar to master your own sentences, and check out my email newsletter, and that one is completely free. Check it out, and I'll send you free lessons through your email directly.
デンジ君みたいな人
Currently, I'm into Denji type boys.
そういう関係になったらそういう行為もできるんじゃ
Soyu kanke, if Soyu is like that is what someone said. So if we get into a relationship that someone said, that we could be in a relationship that somebody said, that leads to something. して I want to do it. So
そういう行為して
that one of the things I want to do it. して is like I want to do it. It's just that.
And then if we get together, we can do that stuff together.
Right.
I want it! I want to do that stuff so bad!
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
そんなわけないだろお前とマキマさんとでは格が違う見回り行くぞ
Kaku ga chigau. Kaku means status and chigau means difference. There's a difference in status between you and Makima.
Well, you figured wrong. She's still out of your league, you don't even play the same sport. Let's go patrol.
I think he sounds a little bit older than the sub voice actor.
Wait, please!
お前さマキマさん目当てでデビルハンターなったろピンポーン
Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right? Bingo!
Fair, fair. But again, I think Aki's is a little bit older in the dubbed.
マキマさんも胸揉んでみて
Momu means to lightly squeeze. That's what it means.
俺のゴールそれは胸だ
Oh.
胸だ
おい
Miss Makima, I really want to touch her boobs. The goal.
Technically speaking, he said chest. Mune means chest. He didn't say that in the sub. He just said chest.
To give my life purpose is melons!
As in the fruit?
Idiot.
Okay, that's creative. Half a crunky.
おうおうひげ伏せ人間わしの名はパワーバディとやらはうぬか Alright, on your knees, mortal scum! Including so-called partners! You stand in the presence of power!
I think I'll let the sub one there. I think. Oh, let me listen to it one more time. This is kind of important.
おうおうひげ伏せ人間わしの名はパワーバディとやらはうぬか Alright, on your knees, mortal scum! Including so-called partners! You stand in the presence of power!
I think the sub one has more of a Kyuru tone to it. So that's why it makes it kind of funny when she says those kind of old speaking tone. I think what you have to know about the truth about Power speaking is that she has more of the older accent and older way of speaking Japanese. It's not like all the way down to like Shakespeare old, if you think about it in English, but it's way older like what my grandparents would speak as. So that's what makes it a lot more different. but because that's trying to, you know, maneuver that with the English language, like it's kind of completely lost, and I think that's what I had noticed.
人間早くなんか殺させろわしは血に飢えてるぞ
Chi ni ueteru zo. Chi means blood, and ueteru is I'm desiring it.
わしは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからのわしの匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ
Human! Supply prey for me, post-haste! I yearn for the savor of blood. Before I took up the life of a fiend, I was a formidable devil, feared by all. I'm sure my sense alone is enough to scare demonic peons.
血の匂いじゃ勝負じゃ勝負じゃ戦いだ
I smell blood. Time to fight, time to fight, time to take you out!
Tim, she's back!
No, I think that one, they both did a pretty good job. They both did a pretty good job right there.
血の匂いじゃ勝負じゃ勝負じゃ戦いだじゃわしの手柄じゃ
I smell blood. Time to fight, time to fight, time to take you out! Mortals, behold! The glory of the kill is mine!
Finally, I think the dub did a pretty good job. I think the one hard part is like Power's way of talking in Japanese is way older, and you can't really, you know, translate that in Japanese. But besides some minor differences, it does contribute to big like emotional reasons, guys. Because manga like this, like every like dialogue is like a foreshadow or means something. So, you know, missing that does affect the anime watching experience. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. More videos are coming, and peace.